All right, we're here. Wow, this is a really tiny atrium. Food's here. This is the filet. The checkers I told you about.
There you go. Just got them off.
168 free games. Signature fried chicken. Oh my God, it is wild.
What's up, guys? It's Carson, it's Sammy, we're the Complete Couple. Today is Friday, September 26th, and we are boarding the Jewel of the Seas for a Bahama cruise. There is a hurricane somewhat brewing out in the Gulf. We were stated to go to their Coco Cay on Sunday. Rumor on the ship is we are actually going to be detouring to Bimini tomorrow.
I don't know, we'll see.
Could that happen? We'll keep you updated. Stick around. We're going to do ship tours, casino tours. We got a whole set ahead of you. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. If you want to see the entire set, we do cruises, we do vacations, we do everything. Look at that gorgeous wife. Oh my goodness, I locked that up. Hit the subscribe button. We'll see you guys
getting on the boat.
Checking in.
Alrighty, we are here super early. We've been here for a while. We're just waiting for the family to park, but they got all the luggage. It is Fort Lauderdale that we're in today. A little bit of a crazy mess, but it always is. And then there she is. Let's see if I can see her. Jewel of the Seas. There she is. A cute little ship. Again, another small one. If you guys have been watching our channel, we've been doing some of the small ships recently. So getting all the royal ships under our belt. Also, shout out to Pool Boy. It's his 18th birthday. He is legal.
Mom,
so,
chill.
he's coming for you. We're waiting to go into Key. I want to show you guys, we did get Key this time, so check out our channel for a Key video if we think it's worth it or not. But we do have Key this trip, so we do get a special entrance. We probably won't be able to film that, but we will see you guys once we get checked in. We made it through security, a breeze as usual for Royal Caribbean. Skipped the whole security line with Key, and now we're gonna go to the ship. All right, we're here. Wow, this is a really tiny atrium. To give you an idea, it's like half the size of Grandeur of the Seas atrium. How small is this atrium?
Newer boat or an older boat?
Newer than the Grandeur, but very old. So here's the atrium, goes all the way up. We are gonna make our way to the dining room for Key lunch. See you there. Look how cool this is. There you go, Jewel of the Sea, dated contract 1999, floating out 2004, and then 2004, so there's all the pictures of them building it. You can't really see because the glare. That's actually really cute, dude. It literally has all the pictures of them building it. That's adorable. Switching it up, not the buffet this time. We are going into Tides for the Key specialty lunch. So we'll see if this is worth it. We've never done Key before, so we're gonna show you this, but don't worry, we will have so much buffet food content, so you won't miss out on that. All right, so if you're wondering, this is the Key menu. So here's the appetizers. You got a Caesar, mushroom soup, shrimp cocktail. You got a burger, filet or salmon. You got some mac and cheese, sides and potatoes and whatnot, and desserts. All right, so appetizers, Caesar salad. Looks like a good one. Let's give it a try. Fire. Very good Royal Caribbean salad. Is the shrimp cocktail. Give her a bite. They look good.
T-Bane.
Good?
Wow.
All right. Hopefully this trip will have good main dining room food. Good start. Good start. Last cruise, not so much. Good. Alrighty, food's here. This is the filet. I'm not gonna lie to you. It looks and smells really good. Cut it open. Cut her open.
Let's see the cook.
Should be medium rare.
All right, let's see.
It feels it.
It does actually.
It feels it.
Look at that. That's the best one I've seen.
Wow.
That's
All right, now hold on. Just because it looks good doesn't mean it is good.
That's one of the better cooks they put on it.
I think it comes from Chops Grill, so that's just worth it in itself. That's like a $20 upcharge.
listen, that's a 10.
Oh my
It
god.
looks really good.
It's got that hint of rosemary in there, which is also phenomenal.
That's really pretty. All right, this is the hamburger. I'm gonna cut it and have Carson do it for me. Here's the mac and cheese. I'm not gonna lie to you. This looks like homemade mac and cheese. This looks really, really good. Oh my god, mac and cheese is so good. Here's the burger. Burger tester. Okay. Pretty good burger. Nothing special, but good. Decent, good burger. I could probably make one at the buffet, but it's still good. There you go. Alrighty, desserts are here. Overall census of the lunch food.
I love the lunch. I would do the...
Food was really good.
What is it called? The
cook
key
was
again?
Yeah, the key.
The key, I would
Just
do that
for that
again
steak.
just for that.
So
very
there's
good.
cheesecake. This, what is that?
Looks pretty.
I'm assuming it's
Like
a lava, but
cake,
let's see.
maybe. It's like a lava cake, maybe.
Let's see what's inside.
Or is it just a chocolate? It's
Nope,
just a
it's just chocolate.
There you go.
Chocolate fudge.
And then here is their little cheesecake. Yeah, give it a try, babe. All right, here we go. What do you think?
It's actually really good.
There you go. They usually don't mess that up, but overall it is good. So we will recap outside. So that was the Key signature lunch. 10 out of 10. Order the steak. The hamburger was good. Get the steak. Steak was so worth it. The whole thing was really nice. Service was good. It was nice to not be in the buffet when it's super crowded. So now we're gonna go get some tours done. Show you guys the room, and then we're gonna go do some name that tune and then sail away. So we'll see you there. All right. So we've just been doing some room tours, casino tours for you guys. We're gonna really bring it along now. But me and Carson think we're going crazy.
I think I'm tripping balls.
It feels like this hallway
It's tilting.
slightly tilted to this. So here's the level. We're gonna put it on the ground. Nope, it's just us. That's scary.
It says it's dead level. Oh,
Wow.
God, dude, I'm tripping balls.
That's scary.
I literally feel like the whole thing's
It
tilted,
really does.
dude.
Side note, we're gonna bring you around, but this layout of the ship is one, confusing, but two, really cool. Wait till you see the schooner bar. It's the coolest schooner bar I've ever seen. All right, let's go to explore a little bit before sail away. So I told you guys how cool the schooner bar is. Let me show you the freaking schooner bar.
Hell yeah.
Let me show you the schooner bar. This place is cool. Come on, come with me. Come with me, cameraman. First of all, full-blown boat. Look at all the decor, dude. You got a whole thing, whatever that is. Look at this boat. Okay.
You kind of look like you should drive it.
Don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive.
Actually, really cool.
Wait, you know what gets cool? Look at the ship.
Oh, it's so
Wait till you
cool.
see that. How cool that is.
That's
And
cool.
Look how big it is. Look how huge it is.
Oh my God, it's huge. The Safari Club.
This is where it gets even cooler, dude. We
No
got
way, they got a pool table? I think they're self-leveling.
And there's games, and there's books, and over there, there's checker tables, there's chess tables, there's backgammon tables. It's cool. I like this layout.
I love it too. And look, there's Dad.
They're neat, but they're supposed to move.
I thought so too.
But they don't, because when you take it off, let's see.
You're right, they're not leveling.
There they go. They're going that
They're not
Maybe it's
self-leveling.
going that way, maybe that's
I knew it. Yes.
Look at it.
Okay, it
We
is.
knew it. All right,
It
it's
is.
off level.
It's off
okay,
level.
It's off level.
Boat's
Dude,
definitely not
me and
level.
Sammy have been feeling like the whole boat hasn't
It
been
shifted, and we thought we were going crazy. I got the level app on my phone out, and it said it was perfectly level.
There you go.
Not level. All right, so it actually is, Al wasn't wrong. It's literally, it says it right here, it adjusts to the speed of light to offset any ship motion. Look, and that's what's in the pool table. That's pretty cool, dude, but we haven't figured out how to make it work because it's still going that way, but. All right, here's the checkers I told you about in action. It's pretty cool. And then, like I was saying, this is backgammon, and then back over there is checkers and chess also. So we're just waiting to set sail here probably in the next hour-ish. We'll probably be kicking out of here. I'm assuming they're gonna do karaoke in here and game shows and all of the things, so pretty cool. But yeah, I really, really like this section of the ship. I love the schooner bar. I think the Safari Club's really cool. A pro on this ship, there's a lot of bars. These two aren't open, but there's 2 bars in this section. I mean, that's a lot. And the schooner's right there. I mean, I think that's pretty freaking cool. And you can come out, it's all open. You can really see the outside. Probably really cool for sail away. So just a really neat little area here, the Safari Club. I haven't seen anything like it on their new ships, so pretty cool. All right, here we are. The solarium is freaking packed. Really pretty, but freaking slammed. All right, we're coming up here for sail away. That's what we're doing, and getting drinks.
Well, for one, the solarium is slamming.
So busy.
Little pizza line here. You got American combo, pepperoni. Can I do an American combo? Yeah, I'll do that one, please. The late night from 9 to 1:30, afternoon 11 to 6. Kind of cool. I'll tell you what, the carrot cake was pretty good.
They got a wrap.
3 cheese sandwich, grilled mushroom, not sure about that. And then, well, and you can get yourself a homemade salad. It's kind of cool. Homemade salad looks kind of cool.
It's actually really cool.
All right, let's head out here. How's the pizza? Gone.
Pizza Hut. Not Sorrento's, but pretty good.
We got a mobile bar guy here. He walked out of that door, and we stopped him on the way out. He's got a line already. Look at this dude. He's freaking hammering it. What a guy. How's the salad, babe?
Really good.
That looks really good.
Fresh veggies. It's really loud, but here's the pool deck. Here's the sail away party. It's popping, but it's freaking loud and crowded. Really small pool deck. Really small.
All right, we're piloting out. Pilot, this will be cool. We got the perfect spot for it, actually.
Yeah, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, there it is. There he is. Look. There he goes.
They just got him off.
Look. He just fucking, that was easy.
Oh my God, that could have been easier.
Dude, he just fucking walked off. Dude, it was like, couldn't have been easier.
There it goes. The pilot's off. Off to the open ocean we go.
We're on our own.
So if you're into it, I will tell you, it is slammed. At 4:30 on this ship, if you don't know how to play the table games, like they're learning right now, Canaan's 18th birthday, you can actually play casino games on a cruise ship at 18 years old, which is cool. But if you come at 4:30, they explain all the games.
Yeah, it's called Learn to Play for 30 minutes. It's really cool, actually, but it is pretty slammed. I'm surprised.
It is slammed, dude.
Yeah.
All these people learn to play. Learn to play craps, learn to play, learn to play. Everybody's learned to play.
It's actually pretty interesting.
And it is cool at 18 years old, if you do not know this, on a cruise ship, the full game, the full casino is open to you. You can do slots, table games,
Yeah,
craps,
anything.
roulette, everything's open.
Back in my day, at 18, you could get a signature to drink wine and beer on board, but that's no longer a thing anymore. All right, just a side note, we're in the the casino, but Carson won 168 free games and he's at 170, so $59 out of 110 free games. You know, don't get excited, I guess. Alright, we're hanging out in the casino and then we're gonna head to dinner. Alrighty, just like that, we are ready for dinner. By we, I mean I. Carson is playing the casino, but I changed. Ready for dinner, got my new boot goofing on, if you know, you know. It's a little loud because I am in the atrium, but I am heading to the casino, and then we're gonna head to dinner. So we'll see you there.
So we're about to head to dinner. I gotta say this, look at the poll of the day. What are you doing this cruise? Eating a lot, drinking a shitload, relaxing quite a bit, casino, activities. Where are you from? Look at everybody. That's a lot. That's a lot. I will see you dinner. All right, guys, welcome aboard. That is the name of this menu. Featured beverages, pineapple guava sangria, all aboard spritz. And I bet Sammy's gonna do the Josh Sellers Pinot Noir. I would almost guarantee it. We'll see. Menu highlights, crab cake, southern fried chicken, key lime pie. Let's check out some starters. Spinach artichoke dip, not gonna do that. Chilled shrimp cocktail, probably will do that. Roasted tomato soup, Caesar salad, escargot, I bet I'll do that too. And a crispy crab cake. Main course is pan roasted fish fillet, southern fried chicken, New York strip, slow roasted prime rib, sounds fantastic. Spaghetti bolognese, herb crusted stuffed portobello, grilled chicken breast, aromatic chicken sag. Oh my god, we're gonna do that. Aromatic, sorry. Premium selections, you can order a lobster tail, chops, fillet, or surf and turf, and there is your desserts. We're gonna order some food and see how the night goes.
Alrighty, appetizers came. I got another Caesar salad. I don't know if I'll eat it, but it was very good before.
I got another shrimp cocktail.
So that's nothing to show. This is the vegan tomato soup, because they like to show the little vegan things. It's just normal tomato soup. They just like to say that it's vegan. Fire. Actually, fire as heck. What is that? Crab cake. Crab cake.
Look at the crab cake. You can see
How
the
is
actual
it?
lump crab in it.
Oh, wow.
How is it, Cam?
Yeah.
I haven't tried it yet.
Give it a taste test for me. How is that?
Scale drinks.
10 out of 10. What? Escargot test for me.
Number.
Wow. This is very good food. So far amazing. Very shocked. I did not like Enchantment's dining food. This is actually very good. So far, dining service and food, very good. The main courses came out. Here is the signature fried chicken. I don't remember what I thought that was last time.
Hot honey.
Yeah. So we're gonna start here, actually. What did you think? I think you should have a
I
bite
think
of
it's
this.
amazing.
So I'm not gonna try the chicken just because it's really hot, but I'm gonna try the spices and rice. Very good. Could use spice for me. Super mild. So if you're scared of spice, there's not a hint of spice in that at all.
Cody, how's that?
It's alright. I mean, about the same that it was before. I mean,
Okay, let's try
Here's the
this.
fried chicken.
Fried chicken is a 10.
Wow.
Fried chicken's pretty good.
Fried chicken is really good. Good skin. Honey is a little spicy.
So overall, in my opinion, Carson's on the way out of here. Pretty good. Kind of reminds me of Grandeur of the Seas. It's cruise ship food. Take it with a grain of salt. But overall, everything is very good. Enchantment did not like. I think we didn't like Utopias, which is crazy. So every cruise ship is different. Same meal, same menu item. But overall, pretty good. Let's see dessert. Dessert is here. We got the key lime pie. Killing the desserts. He's gonna love it. I'm gonna tell you right now. We'll recap outside. Very, very good. 10 out of 10.
happy birthday. 1, 2, and 5.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Yay! Alright, so that was dinner on Jewel of the Sea's main dining room, My Time Dining. We had Robert, 10 out of 10. We didn't have Robert, he was the manager. We had, I don't remember his name, but he was fantastic. I'll bring that to you on the last day. But honestly, food was great, service was great. What did you think, honestly?
Like 8.7 out of 10.
I mean, again, sometimes it's hit or miss here on Royal Caribbean, but this ship, very good job. We are now going to walk around. We are not going to the main show tonight. It is 2-2 Tango or something. We just usually don't have good luck going to those, so we're going to skip that. But we're going to see if we can hit a game show. We're going to go to the silent party. We'll bring you that. We are going to go to the casino. We're walking around the shops right now. Show you some of the shops. Crowded in there. But overall, dinner, very good on this ship. I'm pleasantly surprised. Let's go to the shops.
Look, they got another vintage Louis Vuitton store here. I haven't been impressed with the Louis. They're always overpriced. Let's see what this one goes for. $15.50.
Hold on. This is double what I have. Let's see the price.
Actually, $9.75.
That's actually not that bad.
No, that's not bad.
actually not a terrible price. That's actually not that bad.
There you go. I love the perfumes. Look at this perfume. What is that?
I am not sure, but I do love the perfume store. It's small, but dang, it smells.
I have it up my nose right now.
It smells so good. It's really small though, really tight.
They got Kinder Scott, Swarovski, vintage luxury bags. Tissot. There's Tissot. Tusso, Movado, bunch of stuff.
It was a little crowded.
Honestly,
we'll come back on our C day.
Yeah, it was way miserable, honestly, so we'll come back.
Yeah, all right, to the casino and then the hush party, my favorite thing ever.
Casino update. So we played for a while.
Oh my God, so all we've done today is in the casino. So I decided it's not a whole lot of content, but here is the silent disco.
That looks like a party. Hey, how'd you finish, Cody, in the casino tonight?
Up 100.
Canyon, how'd you finish, Mr. 18-year-old?
I'm up $5. I walked in with 200 and I left with 205 and 3 hours.
I'm down 10. 20.
I think I'm down 40.
I'm down 20.
Alright, so here we are in the club. We're all fam. Honestly, it's super lame. But I hope so. Wait, oh, do something cool. But I like that. That's good.
Damn right.
We're on to go dance.
Put it on YouTube.
Yay! Anyway, I don't even know how to caption that. Oh my goodness. Oh my God, it is wild.
12:30? It's not a bad line. It's actually, the line's nothing for the pizza.
I thought it'd be a lot.
Yeah, me too. Get some pizza, we're gonna call it a night. Solarium is dead. All right, we're gonna get pizza. We'll see you guys back in the room.
Alrighty, well that is a wrap for our day 1 on Jewel of the Seas. Love you guys. Please like, subscribe, check out our channel. We have so much content on Jewel of the Seas. You're gonna love it. Like, subscribe, we'll see you in the next one.